Alright, so it is warmed up. It is a little after 1 in the afternoon. And we are under a severe thunderstorm watch till 9 o'clock this evening. Or tonight. That's not even. Right now it's just windy and cloudy. It has heated up a lot, and the humidity is a lot worse than it was earlier. But so far, nothing too bad. But if anything moves this way, I'll try to get some pictures of it. We had a rough little storm earlier. And then the one I filmed early this morning. It's really weird though. Anyways, got to head to the store in a little bit and then probably come back and just rest. Anyways, I hope everyone has a great Saturday.